Many people think of a king in a negative sense. A tyrant, a ruler, someone who looks down on the people. But a real king is a leader. A real king doesn't look down on other people. He raises them up. A real king doesn't want to control people. He wants the best for all people. He serves the people. A real king is fair and honest. He hides nothing from those he serves. He lives in integrity. Whether people are watching or not, whether the world will find out or not, he always acts in the best interests of all. The real king brings calm and order to situations through fairness, justice, and logic. A lover of the people, a man for all, a king.